excel public speaking, and in terms of his day job, he's a DBA, which is a database administrator, which means that you always have to be on call. It's a 24-hour, 24/7 on-call job. So we are going to end the day with him teaching us some time management tips, and he's tried it on none other than his own son and has had success, so I'm sure we'll all face success. And we'll do it in the form of a quick game.
Okay.
Okay.
So what I need is, I have some questionnaire here. If somebody can,
I'll pass it on.
yeah, just if you can pass it on, and then we'll have a random draw, and whoever comes first. My son was supposed to be taking a video.
Yeah.
Oh, here he is.
And he is.
Cool. So whoever wins gets a fully paid trip to Bahamas. Who fell for that? Oh, man. Okay, nobody did. So we'll first start with the game. Once you're done, please do turn them in. I really look forward to those answers. And this is the game. Everybody play Family Feud here? Or seen a Family Feud game? Who's willing to play a game? Let's make it interactive, guys. This is the last session of the day. And Chetan bhai, thank you. It's going to be a hard act to follow. Where is Chetan? Gone. Okay, so. And for those who don't know, yeah, you definitely need to get your healthcare proxy and living will done. We got it done too. So can we start the first one? Okay, go ahead. So the question is why I don't have time. Okay? So you remember Richard Kahn would then you invariably turn to the monitor and say, the survey says. So that's the answer. So can somebody come up with one answer? And we have the question, why I don't have time? Come on, guys. Oh, everybody has time? I think you're in the wrong session. Overcommitment. So which one are we looking at? Okay, so basically I've committed too much, right? Okay, so I think you could give them 25 here, the second one. You have to click once. This is unrehearsed. Oops. Yeah, so number 2. So you always have time, which is awesome. Good? Okay. Survey says he always has time. Big hand for him. Ajay bhai. Thank you. One more answer. There are 5 answers, right?
His wife doesn't agree though.
That's her job. So, anybody else? Come on, one more answer. Quick. Sorry? I lose track of time. Okay, I was not prepared for that. But I would say the 4th one. That's the one I was really looking for. Okay. Yeah. What's the point? Awesome. And who said you are busy, too busy? Is that a threat? Yeah. Number 5 here. Seriously. Okay. Cool. And what's the number 1 answer?
Too many things to do.
That's the point. That's the question.
No priority.
No priorities, right? So that's the fundamental thing you want to watch out against. So the bottom line, whenever I have seen a person saying he doesn't have time, it is so crucial to note that these are the same people who have maximum amount of knowledge of the latest sitcoms on ZTV and the Hindi TVs that go on. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and these are the same people who would be up till like 3 o'clock on Saturday morning watching just Hindi movies. But again, nothing against Hindi movies. So okay, so this concludes our game, and can I have the questions, those questionnaires done? Ah, man. Okay, so can we go on to the next one? Yeah, no time. See, poor
They didn't have time enough.
Yeah, so can we go to the next PowerPoint slide now? No, the next one. That one I can do, my own. I should have listened to Upendra ji and turned in my PowerPoint earlier. Then maybe she would have had time to go through it and we wouldn't have had to struggle, right? So Hi everybody, anybody in the back who cannot hear me? Everybody okay there? Cool. So my name is Paresh, and other than talking like this and doing a lot of geeky stuff, I love to do a lot of humor stuff, and I teach children emceeing and public speaking and so on. So first, fundamentals. As I said, I promise I will not have any written words there, it's only images. So plan ahead. How many of us actually plan ahead? So one of the questions I had asked, thank you Upendraji, one of the questions I had asked on the Facebook event page, how many of you prefer to sleep in that extra 5 or 10 minutes as against getting up 5 or 10 minutes earlier to finish planning for the day ahead, right? And I see 3 people, either the rest of them are liars or they really don't do this, so that's not good. Sleep, right? Okay, good. Till you are rudely awakened by WhatsApp beeps, right? Sorry. So definitely plan ahead, it really makes your day much easier and it makes you less inundated. And it's okay to say no, right? So let me talk to Deepak Bhai. Deepak Bhai, do you have $100 with you?
No.
See? It's okay to say no, right? So when somebody comes asking for something, how is it that when somebody asks a favor, you can't say no? If no, other thing is he could be more materialistic, but I don't know that. So he says, okay, money is not good, but anything else I can do for you. So yeah, it's okay for you to say no. I have seen immense benefits of being able to say no. This year, the 17 years in this country is the first year I'm actually not volunteering for any organization other than today. Yeah, family needs, right? Okay. So time management. Who here believes in multitasking? Okay, awesome.
We do, whether we believe it or not is a different.
Okay, so for all the doctors here who say they have been, I think including I saw Manju's hand go up too, that they multitask. I just read this and my HR also beat me up for this. There is nothing like multitasking. So you are actually switching priorities quickly. That is what we possibly call as multitasking. But the people who tend to get inundated the fastest are the ones who take immense pride in multitasking. They are the ones who actually almost invariably burn out faster than anybody else. This is my observation. I could be wrong, and that's okay.
I think you're very right. Microsoft has just given a directive to all their employees that they realize that multitasking is decreasing efficiency, and so they encourage their employees not to multitask.
No, that's very nice, but you know, because it comes from Microsoft, you must wait for the Service Pack 1, right? Before you actually implement it in your life, right? So definitely. Here, I'm very busy doing things I don't need to do in order to avoid doing anything I'm actually supposed to be doing. So, what is the bottom line here? Do not focus. Okay, so that kind of reminds you of the same thing, right? That bird story with Arjun, where he actually is asked to shoot the bird and then everybody else is not even allowed to shoot, blah, blah, blah. You know the rest, right? So, bottom line is concentrate on one thing at a time. But the reason why most of us get immensely inundated and frustrated is procrastinate, right? Give me one reason why you need to procrastinate. Of course, there was a great Kavi who once said, "Aaj kare so kaal kare so parso, itni jaldi kya hai gori jab jeena hai parso." Right? On the other hand, there is the other section saying, "Kaal kare so aaj kare so ab, pal mein parlay hoega, bahuri karega kab," right? Exactly. So, but I would say definitely do not procrastinate. And as Chetan Bhai said about the taxes, it is urgent. And what are the words? Important and urgent, right? So do not procrastinate. It doesn't really help. Or you could say, I will procrastinate tomorrow. That's the best way to put it. Use tools, right? If you want to do planning of your stuff, like Evite management. How many of you have mistakenly actually accepted 3 dinner invites today? Good, 2? Wow, it must be a really slow day today. But there have been times when you actually end up having accepted two, so don't do that. You can use tools like calendars, and even this pointer works. So calendars, smartphones, they all help you put in your Evite on your palm top, so you don't have to worry about this. Definitely do that. Teamwork, absolutely amazing story, and I think we have quite a few people over here who have led various organizations, and my immediate name comes to my mind is Manju. Always, she is always leading from the front, but if you do not work as a team, what people expect, especially sadly in our Indian setting, is that if you are the president and if you are not picking up the chairs and tables, you are not doing any work. That is very sad. You have to have right and smart people surrounding you and let them do the work. So believe in team spirit and work with the team, that much less task for you and more me time, right? How many of you actually enjoy Facebook here? I know it's a very politically incorrect question, but okay, everybody enjoys, or almost everybody enjoys. I mean, I know there are people who still enjoy 78 RPM records too. They don't like iPhone and iPod because they believe it's not good for music. But definitely the next one is, do not burn yourself out like a candle from both ends, right? How many times I have gone, I cannot even tell you, the people I meet in various activities that I do, the parents are huffing and puffing, jumping out from car to car to car, to activity. Seriously, what is happening is they are not able to focus on themselves. What is the fundamental rule? They are not able to take care of themselves. How are they going to take care of the family? Remember the stuff that falls in that plane and they say, first put the mask upon yourself before you try to help somebody else? Same thing applies with you being able to take too many responsibilities over your head. Humor. Definitely give some time in your life to humor, because whenever I have actually come up with some funny aspect to a normally civil conversation, people feel that isko bahut time hai, ye hamesha joke karte rehta hai, but actually you don't know how much it helps you release your stress, right? And definitely find time to get your living will and healthcare proxy done, okay? That's a promise you want to make yourself today. Who uses one of these? Woohoo! I'm surprised. Dr. Sapna is not using Facebook. Oh, okay, good.
She's too busy Facebooking right now. She was busy with something else.
Okay, so she's multitasking, right? Or okay, cool. So yeah, definitely, you should be able to find me on WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. I'm one of the top 1% users of LinkedIn.
No work?
And no, work can be serious distraction. So I try to avoid that as much as possible. Q&A. We have, I think, a couple of minutes, do we?
We're out of time, but let's take one question.
I finished within
The best
15
question.
minutes,
Yeah.
yes. And that was the fundamental rule of my public speaking
Yes,
classes
yes.
too. Good.
So, one question. You
One
can
question.
choose whoever.
And it has to be politically correct
One
question.
good question. And it's not coming from Sapna because she was too busy to be not paying attention.
Yeah, I know. You know, today then I'll get a WhatsApp later. तू क्या बोला था जरा फिर से मेरे को भेज दे. So any questions? Otherwise we can call it a day. There is no real need to pull it on. I know everybody wants to go home. Sure. Okay, thank you so much. And just before I go, I have one quick. This is something similar Upendra ji posted the other day, right? Give it to the busiest person. This is something that my boss taught me. The monotony of regularity, way better than the excitement of uncertainty. Okay? That is for your normal well-being. Yeah, I'm not saying don't take risks and all that. So that's our regularity right there. Keep on doing. This actually works. I'm quite pleasantly surprised. Cool. Thank you guys. Appreciate your time.